preparing the query with format specifiers and then executing the query and then commit, and then this is done, inserted successfully. And do you want to insert another record? If say no, we'll say thanks for using this program, and then we break it. And any exception is coming, we used to get this and we used to print that message here. Okay, so at the same time, we now go to the Oracle. So there it is available with you. Go to the run SQL command line. Just make it. Now I'll say connect. So there I will take Scott, and next is called Scotted. No. So it is, yeah, connect system and manager. Yes, manager connected. Now, students, select star from what is the table name? Employee. These are my records. Okay, and we used to run. We can run this program from command prompt even. We can run this program even from command prompt. So go to the place, Python, and 7 AM. And there we can take the Python with Oracle. Python with Oracle. There I will say, run this. What is my program name? I'll say here, insert example 3.py. So there it is called employee number. So the employee number is called 75. Name is called some name. So 0.0, 0.0. So 0.0 is created. See students, some exception is also coming. Value error is coming. I can write one message also here. What is an exception is coming? Value error. I will write that also here. What I'll write ma? Except CX value error. Value error. I can write this point also. Print don't enter ALNUMs and STRs and what? Symbols for what are those? ENOs and salaries, cells. Okay. Now you try to run it. Indentation problem. Indentation problem. So there's a big headache. So coming to the point of it, value error again. So what I do is, I never bother about this statement. I'll go to PyCharm. Actually, this program is done in PyCharm. So to see that indentation, I have to see where the space is available, all those things. I'll go to straightforward to what? Indentation of this place. Close this part. Where is it? 7 AM Oracle. This is my program, right? This is my program. I'll write here. Close this. Now I'll write, value error. Except, what is this now? Value error. I see print of don't enter ALNUMs, STRs and symbols for ENOs and what? Cell. Now you try to run this code. Now you see students, enter employee number, come in 75, employee name KV and 0.0 I entered earlier. Now what is happening? Don't enter ALNUMs, STRs and what? Symbols for ENO and salary. So 75 and KV and say something like 0.0 and next is called what? NIT. So return something like this. One record inserted successfully. Go to the place, students. You say there, it is going to be called what? Inserted, right or not? Like this. So coming to the point of it, this is comes under what? One type of insert program. Now I want to delete. Now I want to delete the record. Shall we go for it? Well, and students in online, did you understand, students? All the students, please confirm it. Be active, online students. These days, little you become passive. After the weather report changed, you also becomes like that. Very cool you become. Are you like that? Huh? What happens? Vardhan, are you so cool, huh? Right. So coming to the point back, and I'll go for another part of the subject. Go to this place. Delete operation I want to introduce. Delete. I want to delete. Deleting means what? Removing all the records. Removing all the records. How do you remove the records now? See. Delete from. Delete is called one type of DML operation. Delete from. What is the table name? Employee. Delete from employee. What will happen? Delete from employee. Here it will delete all the records of which table? Employee. See that 11 rows deleted. Observe this 11. You observe that within 2 minutes, I'm going to come to one small conclusion. 11 rows deleted. What do you mean by 11 rows deleted? How many number of records affected in the database? How many records have the modified things in the database level? Okay. See, my query will be coming from Python program to database level, and the database will perform that operation, will keep in a cursor object how many records modified. 11 records, 11 records, 11 rows deleted. So this 11 is present in where? Cursor, and it will be given to which program? Python program. So this 11 I will print in the Python program. To print that 11 which is present in cursor there is one attribute is there. cur dot row count. What is an attribute name? Row count. Row count is an attribute present in cursor object. Like a complex object, real and imaginary is there or not? Like that. Cursor object contains what attribute? Row count attribute, which will print the number of records affected. Understand, students? Now you see, this is removed. Select star from UC. No rows present. No rows present. So these are removed permanently or marked for deletion. Marked for deletion. If I say roll back again, I did not say commit, students. If I say roll back, I will get them once again. I will get them once again. Am I getting those records once again back or not? Marked for only deletion. That is not permanently deleted. This syntax is what? Deleting all the records. Suppose I want to delete one record only. Only one record I want to delete. I will delete my record. How do you delete it? Delete from table name. Table name. There is a condition list is there. Condition. Where is a keyword? ENO is equal to what? 75. ENO is equal to 75. Delete from employee table where ENO is equal to 75. How it is processing now? The Oracle engine will all supply the ENOs to this place. Is 10 is equal to 75? No. Is 20 is equal to 75? No. Is 30 is equal to 75? No. All these things will be compared. These things are becoming what? Come on. False. Last one is satisfying. 75 is equal to 75. Satisfied. And this is going to be printed. Removed that. That is removed. See that one row deleted. What is this one? Cursor result it is. How do you get that cursor result? Cursor dot row count will give you the number of records affected. Maybe 11 records or 1 record or 2 records or whatever it is. Did you understand? Now I can say commit. Like if I say the select star from employee, that 75 record is not there. Did you understand? Now, if I say commit, commit means what? Removed permanently. Removed permanently. You say that now. You say roll back. You say that will not come. Already you know that, students, that will not be coming across. So it is going to be available permanently. Did you understand this point? Yes. Now I can say delete those employees. Delete from employee table salary less than 2.2, for example, less than or equal to 2.3, for example. How many people are having less than or equal to 2.3? This also 2.3 equal to 1.3, like that. This also removed, this also removed. You see that now? How many are delete? Where is missing? Where is missing? Where cell less than or equal to 7 rows deleted. That's 7, 11, 1 are called what? Row count. So if I say select star from, if you say these are only left out. These are only left out. I will get it back. I'll get it back. Now see, students, I'm getting back select star from. Are you getting? Now I will write a program. Write down. Write a Python program. And once C, students, in our case, once C mark, 1 minute you see. In this place, there is one small thing. What is here? The purpose of DML operation, DML queries is that to insert records, and insert operation is already over. Now I am coming to what? Delete. Delete, you see, delete. This query is used for deleting a record from where? Table. SQL, delete from table name, or delete from table name where? Condition list. Condition list. Delete from all employees, deletes all the records of table. Delete from employee where employee number is equal to 10. Deletes particular record of employee table. So I can delete either all the records or delete one record at a time. Did you understand? Write down. Write a Python program which will delete one record at a time, which will delete a record. You write like that, which will delete a record, based on, employee number, See, students, I'll be taking something like this. Watch it, guys. In this case, this is my program. I want to get it what? Up to what query is same? You carefully follow me. Since you already understand the style of it. Oracle, delete example1.py. delete example1.py. Now I'm writing like this. So I'm going to say program for deleting a record from employee table. So now I'm going to write it. DEF, tell me, delete record. What I'm going to say there? What are the things common here? What are the things common, ma? So getting the connection, all those things common or not? So I will take up certain things which are common. Up to here, I will take it. I will take up to here. Based on employee number, I want to delete. So CX underscore, here I am writing import what? CX underscore Oracle dot connect. Do you know how to configure this? By going for a file settings and everything, you know. Getting the connection, creating the cursor update, accept employee number from which one? Keyboard. Employee number from keyboard. Right? Employee number from keyboard. Now I'm getting enter employee number. I got ENO. EMPNO, I got it. Now what should I do now? I will prepare the query. How do you prepare the query? Come on, delete query is equal to delete from which table? Employee table, where ENO is equal to, you need to pass correctly this part. Which one? This column must be taken compulsory. ENO, you must write ENO is equal to what? Percentage D. By percentage D, employee number. Dynamically, I am locating the values. Come on now, cursor dot execute of DQ of what? Percentage EMPNO. EMPNO. I got it. EMPNO, I got it. Now, after executing, I'm saying what, students? CON dot what? Commit. CON dot commit, I will say. Now I'm going to say if, tell me, COR dot, what is this now? Row count greater than what? Equal to, greater than 0. 0 means what? Record deleted. 0 means what? Not deleted. Suppose you see, I'll go to this place. Delete from, I say 75. Do you have 75 record number here? Now what is coming here? 0 record, 0 row deleted. If the query is successful, what is the query status? 0. Not successful. Query status is what? 0. Row count is 0. If the record is deleted, what is that? You see, one record, 7 rows deleted. 7 rows deleted. What is next? 7 rows deleted. 1 row deleted. These are all called what? Status of the delete operation. If no condition is not satisfied, what you will get it? Right. You see, if you understand, I will write like this. What I am writing now? Print of record deleted. I say record deleted. Dot format of what is this now? COR dot, what is this now? Row count. Are you following me? What is the row count? It is an attribute. It's an attribute. Later I will change this condition here. Let it be. I'll write it. Coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say main program. Main program I'm going to say. What is the main program now? Delete record. So attribute is called what? Row count is an attribute present in cursor object. You try to run it. So enter employee number. I'll enter the employee number here. What is my employee number? I will enter 10. I will enter 10. I will enter 10. 10. You see that what is coming? One record deleted. What is that one is called? What is that one is called? Row count. That one is called what? Row count. That is substituted in this place. Understand? Well, you say one more time you run it, students. One more time you run. I'll say 75. Okay, first you see whether it is removed or not. You see select star from, what is removed? 10 is removed. Earlier 10 was there, now 10 is not there. Right or not? Now what should I do now? Delete, enter employee number 75. 0 record deleted. This indicates what? Record is not deleted. Did you understand this point? Now I am going to say, in this case, I wrote it. If you want, I can write like this. What is this now? COR dot row count greater than 0 means what? Record deleted. Right? Employee record, I say employee record deleted. Record deleted successfully. Right? Dot format of what? A row count. Cursor dot row count. Okay. EMP na cursor on. COR dot row count. I can say. Right? Else I will write it. Print employee record. Employee record does not exist. Now I am going to say employee record does not exist. You try to run it. Now I am saying 75. 75 means you don't have the record. What is removed there? Nothing is removed. What is the row count there? 0. 0 greater than 0? False. False means coming to where? L spot. What is the L spot? Employee record does not exist. Employee record does not exist. Right? You say one more time, you remove certain record again. What is the record I want to remove? 30. I want to remove 30. 30 you say. 30. One record deleted successfully. You go to the place and try to run it, students. You see. So Richie was removed. 30 was removed. 20 and this was removed. Earlier 9 records are there. Now it is only 8 records are available. Did you understand? Right. Same thing. The same program. You want to make more interactively. One can go for like this. See, students, I will take it. I'll take this. Now I am taking new Python file, delete example2.py. Now I say, here I am going to say, now I am saying, copy this entire thing. I'm going to paste it. There I will write it. See, I'll write a try. What is an exception I need to write now? Even I forget to write in previous program, I'll write it. Which exception I need to write? Except cx underscore Oracle dot database error as DB. Okay, as DB. I say here, tell me ma'am, problem in DB, just comma DB. I can write it. One more time I can write. What is this now, students? Value error. Say that what I'm writing, don't enter ALNUMs, STRs and symbols for ENO, because I'm taking only employee number here. Understand, guys? One more thing, to make it more interactive, I'll write what? While true, students. See, guys, I will take it. See, mom, I will write it here itself. After finishing this, CH is equal to input of enter. I say enter, or sorry, do you want to delete? Do you want to delete another record? Say what? Yes or no? Yes or no? So I will write over there. Tell me, students, if CH double equal to what? No. CH double equal to no. So dot what? Lower. Dot lower. I say there break, or I say some message. So thanks for using this program. Say what now? Break. So I will write it. Break, I will say. Now see, students. Coming to the point of it. If you say other than caviar, other than S, CH dot lower not equal to what? S. Not equal to S. I say what? Other than S also chance is there to enter or not? That time I'll say what? Print learn typing and reading. Learn typing properly and learn type, read and type. Read and learn typing. Learn and read typing. So I will say, I'll say this now like this. Now I'll be giving like this. Are you following me? Are you getting? Fine. So I'll say what here again? Break. If you don't want to say break, you will be repeating that once again. You will be repeating once again. Which one you will repeat? Which one you will repeat? This one will be repeating. This will be repeating. Again, it is asking enter employee number. If at all that is support. If you want to say here itself break, you can say here itself break is nothing but what? You can say break here itself like this. Are you understanding? Right. So this is a way how you can write it. Anywhere else mistake? Ma? 22nd line. A semicolon. Okay. Somewhere else there is one error, ma. Break as CH is equal to. Where is that one error? So try to run it once again. Enter employee number. I'll say some 75. Record does not exist. Record does not exist is coming. It will be saying that somewhere else lower off. Yeah, correct. So all of them are seeing like anything. So saying the same. Unindented key is not matching with this. Coming to this place. Okay. So anyhow, you try to run it something where the number is there. I say something like 40. I say something like 40. 40. Delete it. Which program is running that? Delete example 2. I want to run it. Right. Okay. There itself is coming. 26th line. Except block. Yeah. It is supposed to write under this area. Correct. So this was written another program previously running. Right. Gone. So try to run it once again. Last and final. So I say something like 234. 234 record is not there. Do you want to read another one? Yes. Say some number here. 40 I will enter. 40. 40 is called what? 40 not there. Huh? Removed already, right? It was removed already. So 40 was removed. Now 20 I will enter. Record is not there. 40. Yes. I'll say 20 now. 20 is removed. 20 is removed, right or not? 20 removed. Go to the Oracle place. Remove 20. Now 20 was removed. Earlier 20 was there. Now you go to the next level. I say KVR I will enter. So what is that? Read and learn typing. So because you need to enter any one of it, it is coming out of it. Are you following me? This is comes under what? Deleting. Students in the online, are you able to follow? So the error in the previous part is indentation problem. Come on, students. Everybody must respond. Done. Next, I am going for one more type of last DML operation. What is the DML operation next? Update. Update. Let's go to the update. Suppose I want to update salary of every employee by 10%. Update the salary of every employee by 10%. The company decided to give 10% hike to every employee. 10% hike to every employee. How do you hike the 10% hike? So how do you do that? Update. Update is a query here. Update. What is the next? Table name. Update employee. Update employee. Table name. Set. Set is nothing but what? Your column name. Update is the name of the table. Employee is the name of the table. Update is the query. Set. What is that now? Cell. Set. Cell is equal to update employee. Set cell is equal to what is your percentage of cell? Whichever set means whichever column values you want to set, you can go for it. Cell is equal to cell plus cell into 10%. 10 by what? 100. 10 by 100. Suppose for example, you take 2. 2 you take it. What is the 2 here? 2 plus 2 into what is that now? 10 by 100. 10 by 100. What is this now? So 2 plus 2 into 0.1. 2 plus, it is called 0.2. What is an answer now? 2.2 is an answer. For what? First record. Like that, second record, third record, all the records will be updated. Getting my point? Because there is no certain condition is there. See that now how many records updated? 6 records updated. 6 records updated. See that 6 rows updated. Because there is no condition at all here. Now you see, select star from employee, all the records done or not? 2.5 earlier, 2.5, 2.3 to 3.5. How they are becoming? 2.75. So coming to the point of it, 2.2, 2.5, 2.5, 2.3. So here it is going to be done. Are you following me? Done. 2.42, 2.34. What is happening? Are you getting this percentage of updation here? Percentage of updation. Now I am going to indicate this part of it is called what? All the records are updated. If you want to get them back, I'll say rollback. I'll say rollback. Rollback means what? Getting those records back. Select star from employee. Same records will be coming or not. So I want to update this Tommy salary. Only Tommy salary. How do you update? Set update. Come on. Employee. Set sal is equal to sal plus sal into 10 by 100 where employee number is equal to ENO is equal to 50. Only one record will be updated. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand here? What is happening? One row updated. Earlier, how many rows updated? 6 rows. What is that? 6 rows updated. Now this is called what? Only one row updated. See that select star from employee, 2.2 is there. Other things are same. 2.5, 2.3, 3.5, 2.2 and then what? 3.4. 2.2 is called what? Updated. Did you understand my point? Yes. Now coming to point back. Now I am going to say, I want to go for updating. I will say, if I say roll back, that also will be getting back. Select star from employee. Are you able to get it now? Getting my point? Yes. Here, getting this point here. Now I want to do the same type of operations through what program? Python program. Python program I want to do it. So these are all comes under Shruti. You have to understand, ma, these are all called what? Dynamically we are doing. Even I am going to tell the program also, right? So can we dynamically select 2 or 3 EMP NO at a time? So I don't know, ma, what is your doubt? Are you asking selecting 2 or 3 record select operation? You are asking, I don't know. Update, delete, what she is asking, I don't know. I'm taking what? Employee number, dynamically I am accepting. Should practice it. Without practicing, nothing will come. Is it dynamically or not? Dynamically or not? See, if we come to insert operation, see how many examples I taught. This is called what? Fixed data. What is this is called? Dynamically accepting. And what is this is called? Again, dynamically accepting. These are all called dynamically only done here. So update only, ma, I did not write the program at all. You are exciting in the beginning only. So you must have the patience to listen. So here you see delete operation. What is this now? One example. Dynamically or not? Delete operation 2 dynamically. So I'm going to do one by one in the class. You don't excite it. Write down. If this excitement is there in our BTech first year, by the time we would have been in the MNCs. Write a Python program. Which will update employee name. Which will update employee company name. Which will update employee company name and salary. Based on employee number. Now see on the board, dynamically are we doing this or not? Where we are doing? Oracle insert example 3 onwards. In the last Saturday class only we said this. This also we did. This also, even in today also we did. Done or not? So we are accepting the employee number and then we are going to update employee company name and salary. Shall we do that now? Yes. So how to do it now? This program I will take it. What I will take? Employee number I will take, employee name I will take it. Look at students. I will take it, Python file, Oracle, what is this now? Update, example1.py. Update Oracle update example1.py. So coming to the point of it, program for updating EMP, company name, and what? Salary based on what? Employee number. Based on employee number, I will take import cx underscore Oracle def. What is this now? Update record. Now I am going to say what I am going to do, students. You know, I will take certain things here. I'll copy this and I'll try to write it. Here I am going to write it. What is this now? I will take enter certain things. I will take it. Should I accept employee details from keyboard for updation? Enter employee number. Enter employee salary, new salary. Enter employee new salary. Enter employee new company name. Design the query. How do you design the query, students? Come on. Update. Say some query name. Update query. Update employee. Set. Come on. Sal is equal to percentage of comma. Come on. What is our things here? You go to that C name. You need to take that comma. C name is equal to single quotes percentage yes, where ENO is equal to percentage D. This is called designing the query. Understand? Well, I say here update query is equal to what is the first thing? Percentage of. What is this now? I need to pass cell. What is the next I need to pass? CMP name. This one what I got it. Next I will pass what? EMPNO. I am writing. EMPNO I am writing. Cell CMP name and then what? EMPNO. CON dot what? Commit. Employee number, new salary, and then what? Employee new company name. Cursor dot execute of this. Then you just remove this. Now see this confidently here. Commit. Are you following me? So done. Percent of what? Sal CMP and then etc. Update query. Percent of cell and etc. is done. Update one employee record is updated. And if you want, you can write it perfectly here. And one thing I want to say, Naresh, Mr. Naresh, here you are saying here, before you are going to say, you can ask a question. What is the question? Are you sure to update your record? You can say. It is updated, executed. Now I am asking, CH is equal to, Naresh, you asked the doubt, I am going to give you the doubt now. Your doubt only I am going to give you here. CH is equal to input of, now I am saying, are you sure to update your record? I say what? Yes or no. See, my dear student, these are all programming techniques. Is equal to what? Lower of What is this? S. You say students, say what? If you say S, commit. Commit. You say commit. CON dot commit. CON dot what? Commit. Then CON dot commit. Else. Else. I say what? If what? CH dot, what is this now? Lower of is equal to no. No. Say what? CON dot what? Roll back. Roll back. Are you following? If you say no, I will roll back. Other than S or anything you enter. Elif I will write it. Elif. Naresh, are you following me? Next time writing what? Else. Other than this, if you enter, what will happen? What will happen? I will write. I will write. Elif. Elif. What I will write it? CH dot what? Lower of. Lower of. Not in. Not in. What is this? Of one yes, comma what? One no. One no. So coming to this, are you getting, my dear student? So if that is the case, please learn typing. Are you following? Say what? Break. That's all. Say, if that is the case, I am not using the loop now. I'll say what? Sister dot what? Exit off. Sister dot exit off. What is sysma? Module. Sys is a module, right or not? Beautiful code. So I'm going to say, coming to this place, now I get it. In this case, this is going to be updated. Are you following me? Now, after deleting, I am saying committing, otherwise rollback, everything is done. I'll go for main program, I will call it. What is my main program, students? Update record. Right here, main program. Main program, I am going to update record. Update record. Now I am going to say, just to try to save this. So take care once again. See this, students. Are you sure you want to update your record? Are you sure to update your record? Right? Update the record. I say, if you say yes, that will be done. Otherwise, no, rollback and etc. you are taking. So employee record successfully updated. You see here also, I'll say here, what is this now? Dot format of what? CUR dot, what is this now? Row count I am saying. Row count I am saying. Done. You run this code. Enter employee number. Enter employee number I am going to say. Some number I am going to enter. What is this number? 50. 50. Are you following me? These are my recent records. 50. So he changed his company. So Tommy, employee new salary 4.5. He got a new salary in IBM. Right? What is happening? Are you sure to update your record? See. Yes. Yes. If I say yes, what is happening? One record updated successfully. One record updated successfully. You go and see this now. One record updated successfully. Getting my point? Right. Suppose if you say that no, what is happening? It is rolled back and it is coming that what? It is going to say also updated successfully, because nothing but what? You see that. Run it once again here. Run it once again here. Enter employee number. What is that next one I am going to? I am saying that something like 35 I am entering. 35. New salary is called what? 4.6. 4.6 is getting in PayPal. I am saying that. Are you sure you want to update your record? No. What I said, one record updated successfully. See that what is happening there. What is happening there, you see. What is happening there? It is still updated on? No, not updated. not updated. That means it is going to the place updated in the sense same data will be there only. Same data will be there only. That status still it is there. Still it is there. If you want, rollback is there now. If you want, you can write it. Once you say no means you are saying rollback. If you want, you can write it. What you can write it? COR dot row count is equal to what? 0, you can write it. When you say 0 is equal to that, what will happen? It will be printed as what? 0 rows. 0 rows. You run it again. You run it. And these are all different things, students. You go to the place. Here I am writing 35. 35 you say. 35. Are you sure you want a new something like 5.6? Something like PayPal. So there I am saying, are you sure you want to delete? You will be getting one record deleted successfully. That is nothing but updated successfully you are getting. That means whose value, even though you write this statement no, it is not going to consider these things because it is going to contain, Oracle is going to take its own database. At that point of time, it is going to give you. Are you following me? So once this is done, this record, I will update it. This record, I will update in this place only. Where I am writing? Under commit place only I am writing. Here I will write what? What I will write it here? If you follow me, this is nothing but what? 0 rows updated. 0 rows updated. Now, you run this now. And these are all coming because of what? Some statements. These are all coming due to the programming things. Rollback success. This is the scenarios we are taking. So in this case, we are taking, try to run this code once again. Now do this. 35. So you just see there once in the Oracle side, you see once. Still the same thing is available. I'll say 35. Some 3.4. IBM again. What is that? Are you sure you want to? Say no. What is happening? 0 records updated. Getting students. Now you say run it once again. What is that now? 35. What is happening now? 5.6. What is that now? PayPal. What is that now? S. What is happening? One record updated successfully. These are all there in your hands. How beautifully you will write the code. Is it updated or not? Naresh, are you understanding? Naresh, for your doubt only, I just written this code. Right, good, got it. So these are all with our programming skills, we can do it or not? Yes, you can do. So last and final, I'll run this. So how do you run this? I say some number I will say. What is the number I am entering there? You see there, some 50. Some 50 I will enter. 50. I'll say something like this. What I'm writing, 5.6. Some ABC. Are you sure you want to update? KVR I entered. What is happening? Please learn typing. It's not there now. It is not there in yes or no place. Are you getting? Fine. And moreover, this is going to be something like this. And after that, it is going to come across. If it is deleted, all these things you are taking care about it. Now, in this case, what is happening? We are updating the record. Next, another model of the same thing. You already aware of it, I think so. One more example I want to tell you. What is that another example? You follow me carefully. Next example I want to say. Python things. So Oracle, update example2.py. See the students. Done. You carry this example because these are all in case studies. These are all very, very important, students. You take it. This is done. Oracle update example2. I'm taking here. Why I will write what here? 2.py. Interactively, I want to go for it. What is this interactive mode here? While of true. While of what? True. So I'm writing this entire thing. There I'm going to take it, just move that side, and coming to this area, here I'm writing enter employee number, employee name, and then like this. After I don't write this entire stuff. I don't write this entire stuff, students. Observe now. This also I don't write it. This I don't write it. What I'm writing? This is COR dot what? COR CON data. CON dot commit. CON dot commit of. I will write it. If COR dot row count greater than what? 0. What is that now? Record updated, right or not? So record updated, employee record updated, and what I will write? Dot format of what, ma? Dot format of what? COR dot row count. Very, very important examples. What I will do after finishing that? Else, what I will do? Employee number does not exist. Employee record does not exist, right or not? Such employee number is not there. Employee record does not exist. Does not exist. Employee number does not exist. So done. So here I am writing. Here I am writing. So coming to the point of it. So now I am going to say, this is a point to be rememberable. So done. Now where is it? Fine. Now keep it this spot, and I will take it what? One value error also, right? Value error. What I will write there? Same message. What is the message here? You see that somewhere else we have written students, I hope, in previously value error. I hope this value error message I will bring it. So in the updated 2 also, I want to say this message. So done. And moreover, I want to ask you a question. What is that? Do you want to delete? Do you want to insert another record or something like this? So you come back to this place. Do you want to delete another record or something? I will bring this type of message here. See that. Do you want to delete, update another record? Do you want to update another record? Yes or no? If no, thanks for using this program. If it is not equal to yes, this one. If it is yes, then it will be repeated. Getting or not? Are you getting, students? Right. So you run this code, same thing. Here I will say, run this code now. Update to enter employee number. What is my employee number here? 50 like that. Now I want to update for 70. 70 is here. So new salary is called something like 3.6. Say something like Infosys. I wrote like this. What is happening? One record updated. Go to that place and then see that it is Ashwin updated with this. Now, do you want to insert another record? Yes. I will go for something like Ambika or Ambika, something like Tushara, for example, 45. Employee salary is called 5.7. Say something like IBM. So done. Record updated. Now I will say yes, I will say. Next I will say yes. I say some number called 75. I say 75. Salary is called something like 2.4. IBM. What is happening? A record does not exist. There is no 75 number, right? Like that. So we will say no here. We'll say no here. Or we'll say some number other than that. Are we getting this now? Following? Right. Is it called entering multiple records or not? Yes. So one of the girl who is asked me that question, dynamically can we accept 2 to 3 records like that? Are we getting dynamically or not? So Seema, what is that girl name? I forget, ma. So the student who asked the doubt, dynamically information. Is it getting or not, ma? Please respond it. Naresh, doubt clarified? So other doubt, Shruti, got it, ma? Yeah, got it. Now, I will go for what? Next. Naresh, you also got it, huh? So your things are done like this. Now I'll go for next. What are the operations done here, guys? The operations are what? DML operations, we got it. Now I'm going to enter into the next part of the subject. What is the next part? DRL. See, DRL, types of queries you see. Types of queries. What are the types of queries here? I got this records. DRL statement, I want to go for it. What is the DRL stands for? Data retrieval language. How do you retrieve the records from the database? That is the point here. How do you go to that? Coming to the data. What are the records left out? These are the records left out. Please see carefully, students. I want to read these records. How do you read the records? From that, we will use a select. Select is also called one query, which is used to read the records from the given table. Select. What you want to select? I want to select a employee number, ENO, whose column name. It is easy to query the data from the database. Compared to what? Files. Files need to retrieve the data based on indexing. But this is going to be very easy to retrieve the data. But the records are always internally available on the basis of what? Employee numbers. Very important. Select column name. Not only one, you can say multiple column names. ENO, from where? Employee. You see, students, employee. What is happening? Employee number, all of them are coming. Reading employee numbers only. I want to read what? Employee number, comma, what next? E-name, I will get it. E-name from employee. I got employee number and E-name. I got the data like this. Employee number and employee name, I got it. Next, I'm going to get it what? Employee number and employee name, I got it. Next, I want to get it. Not necessary to write in the order. Employee number, comma, sal, comma, what? E-name. I can write. Any order, you can write it. Next, I can write it what? ENO, comma, what? C name, I can write in any order. I can get it. Are you getting or not? In any order. Since I'm reading all the column names, you need not write all the column names. You can write simply what? Select star from. Star means what? All the column names of which table? Employee table. All the column names will come in which order they are available in employee table. Got it, my point? Yes. Moreover, one more point to remember is all the records are coming. I want to record only certain records. See, select ENO, comma, E-name. From which table? Employee table. Whose salary more than what? Whose salary more than 3.5? Whose salary more than 3.5? What are the records? Where? I forget where. So where salary greater than the. So Tommy more than 3.5 and 60% and 70 and then this and 3.5 will not come. These people data only will come. Are you able to get it now? Now, coming to this place, these are the things I can get it. So you can apply this kind of things. So what I'm going to say? Select is going to be the query used to read the records from the table. So I'm going to write the example, students. Please carefully follow. Now I'm going to write select operation. I will show you. First listen the program now. So let us see, students. Certain things are same. Certain things are same. Up to here, I will take the same thing. So I'll close my parts here. I'm going to close this thing, students. I'll say here. Now I'm writing. Now I'm saying here. New Python file. So select Oracle. Select example1.py. Select example1.py. So here, select example1.py. Example1.py. Select example1.py. There I'm going to say, I will get it. This record. What is this now? Oracle select example1.py. I'm going to tell you 4 examples now. On select, I will tell you 4 examples. 4 programs I'm saying. Carefully listen. Don't excite. Selecting records from where? From which table? From employee table. Right? Don't excite. Carefully listen. Because the classes will always give much excitement. So, select records. I'll say here, select records. Select records. Okay. Now, getting the connection is same. Cursor is same. Now I'm going to get it. What I'm going to get it? Now I want to get it. What is my query? SQ is equal to select query is equal to select star from what? Employee. The moment when you say select star from employee, do you know what is happening? The moment when you say select star from employee, what will happen? Cursor off. Anything mistake? So, okay. So I will write it. The table also, except what? CX underscore Oracle dot DB error, DB database error as DB, I say here, print of what? Problem in database, comma what? DB. I'll say here DB. Select star from employee, I wrote it. What I'm doing there, the moment when you say, come on, CUR dot execute of select star from, of course, I will write what? SQ. You can write directly select star from employee here also you can write. See students, I'll take one diagram now. Go to the paint, very important. Online students, be in the online. Don't go out of your coverage area. Be in the online. So, coming to the point, a very important point is going to come at 8:24. So, if you miss this point, so I can't say what is the next level. So, here I am going to say, here I am writing, select star from. Why it is not coming in bold? So, I will say here, the moment when you come here, I'll say here, select star from. So here I will go for it. Take this now. Select star from this record, you take it. Yeah, observe this query now. Select star from employee. The moment when you execute this statement, internally, the cursor object will go to the database level and bring all the records. See, go to the place, all of you. See now, select star from employee, select star from employee. See now what is happening. All these records are coming. The moment when I execute that query, I'll come to this place. Once the above query is executed, once the above query executed, what will happen? Executed. The cursor object will take the select query, will go to where? Database level, will execute that select star from employee and bring all the records. And once the query is executed and cursor object contains all the records, and present in where? Present in which object? Cursor object they are present in. Now coming to this point, here I am writing how this is present, students. You know, I will just paste that records here. Observe now what is happening. You just see. This is my table of records. Here I am having like this. So coming to this place, here I am writing, observe it. This entire thing, I am going to keep it into one box. Carefully follow. This data, whatever is available here, is comes under what? Metadata we can call. Column names, these are all called. I will take some separate example on it. Column names are what? Metadata. Metadata, that is called. Metadata. There it is having records are there, students. You observe the records. You observe the records. So I'm going to take up here. I'm going to say. So I'm going to write it. These many number of records I'm going to say. Coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say this type of things. Now it is available like this. Who is going to point to everything? This entire thing is pointed by what? Cursor object is pointing. So cursor object is containing all this entire data present in CUR. Now using CUR, what should I do? Online students, carefully follow. Now I am writing. Now by using CUR, we must get what? Records. We must get the records. To get the records from, I need to process my data. Whether you remembered or not, here, steps for development of what? This thing you see. Fifth one you see, fifth one. Python program must process the result. What result we processed it? CUR.row count, one record deleted, one record updated. Exception is also one processing part only. Now we are going to say what? When DRL operation is executed, your Python program has to get the records. Is it not called processing the result? That part I am writing now. Careful students, are you following me daily? So to get the records from where? From cursor object. From cursor object, we have three functions. We have three predefined functions. We have three predefined functions. Three predefined functions present in cursor object. Present in which object? Cursor object. They are number one. I am writing. Number one I am writing. What is the number one I am writing? Come on. Fetch one. Say this now. Fetch one. Fetch one. Next is called what? Second one is called what? Fetch many. Fetch many. Fetch many. Of what? Number of records I will pass it. Number of RECS I will pass it. Third one is called what? Third one. Fetch many. Fetch all. This is called one more kind of thing. Fetch all. This is called one more kind of thing. What fetch one will give you, I will say. What fetch many, I will say. What fetch all will say. Three examples I will tell you. Metadata is concerned, I will tell you one more example. So this is called a records. First I will concentrate what? This is called a record area. This is record area, I want to get it first. Record area, I want to get it. Later I will talk about what? Metadata. Students in online, are you getting this diagram first of all? I will go to the program. Which one I will use first? Fetch one I will use it. Carefully follow. Go to this place. Now I am using. Once these records are there, query executed successfully. Records present in which object? CUR. CUR. Now I want to get the data. Get the records. Get the records. From which object? Cursor object. Cursor object. How do you get the record? Now I am writing. Record is equal to CUR dot fetch one. Fetch one. Fetch one. It will give you the first record only. Where CUR is pointing, like our file pointer, our CUR is also pointing to what? First record. And it points to two things. When you call metadata, it will point to column name. When you call fetch methods, it will point to record area. Are you following? Yes. When you say fetch one, First record will come. Wherever the first record, cursor is always ready to point to the first metadata as well as this one. Since I am calling fetch methods, it is coming to the first record now. You observe it. Once the first record is read, it is pointing to the second record. Once the second is read, third, fourth, fifth, like that, I'll show you that. Just to follow me. So I will print what? Record I am saying. Just execute. Just execute. Call the main program now. Main program I am going to say. What is my thing here? Select record. Select record. Now you execute it. See students. See that. I'm getting what? First record. First record. First record is the what? Tommy. That is what I got it, Tommy. Next you go to the main program. Again you call it. What is the type of that record? Tuple. Have you observed it? Type of what, students? Record. Type of record. Run it once again. Tuple. Tuple. Okay. Same thing you do again. Same thing you do again to get the second record. Second fetch one will point to what? Second record. Get the second record. Get the second record. 60%, 2.5. Are you getting? You call next. You call next. What it will give you? Third record, Ashwin. Next you call again. Fourth record. Fourth record is coming, Ambika. So fourth record is coming. Next I will call it once again. And why I am saying I don't write like that. I will write very shortcut code. And to make you to understand I am saying. Sailaja. And what is the answer now? Here you see Sailaja. Last record I am going to get it. You see now I will paste one more thing. So cursor is moving to what? Like a file pointer, record by record. You see now it is going to come Tushara. After that, what is not there? No more records are there. You see what is the return type? What is the return type? Tuple, tuple, tuple. Fetch one is getting the record, returning the tuple called what? Tuple type records. I will write one more. I'll write one more. Do you have any record? No more record. Do you have any record? No more record. No record means what is the value? None. None is which type? So fetch one returns either a tuple type or none type. Tuple type when there is a record. None type, no record. Getting or not? Yes. Come to the point of it. If 1000 records are there, 1000 times I don't write. With our technique, I can write a beautiful logic. Come on now. While true, I say, I will paste that. What is it? If record is equal to this one, what is the record, students? Record not equal to what? None. None. I'll say what? Print record. Print record. Print record. Else, you say what? You say what? You see that? I will write this part. I say when it comes to none type, you say what? Break. Beautiful. And before that, I will write like this. Before that, I am writing like this. See that now? You run this code. Got it? Getting or not? Yes. And here also record I will process properly. How I will print, you see? For value in where? Record. Value in record. Print of what? \t. Dot format of what? Value. Comma. That's all. Comma. End is equal to what? I am writing like this. Why I wrote like this? Sleeping. Sleeping. Red t-shirt. Yes. Sleeping. 25 seconds you are sleeping. Very good. So, coming to the point of it. It is printing in where? Same line. After printing one record, I have to get it next record. I have to bring into the cursor to next line. Seeing, sleeping you are. Slowly. Like that. Sleeping is very important to the health. At the same time, class is more important. Because we are not in sleeping area, right or not? We are in class area. So you should have that. Are you following this? Right. So what do you know about fetch? One. What do you know about fetch one? It will return one record. If the record is not none, print the record. If it is none, you say what? Break it. This is called what? Fetch one. Now I will go to fetch many. I will take it. What is the use of fetch many, students in online? Did you understand? Did you understand, students? I will go for what next? Fetch many. I will go for it. Fetch many. I am going for the same program. Fetch many. This is comes under what example? Fetch one. Fetch one. I'll take the same example, students. I'll take the same example. I'm going to say, see this now, new example. Because once you know Oracle connection, MySQL connection is one day, you can understand. Go to the place, there I will write it, paste it, see carefully, fetch many, fetch many, example2.py. Okay. What I am doing now, remove this entire things. What is my example here? Fetch many of, how many records I am having here? How many records I am having? 6. Out of 6, I want how many? Only 3 records. 3. Fetch many will take one integer value. Integer value. Print that. How do you print it? Print what? Record. First you print a type of what? Record you print. Type of record. It is going to be list type. What is the type? List. Inside the list, tuple. Each tuple is called what? Record. It will return what? Tuples of lists. Or in your English, list of tuples. Meek atla English vaste aa vidhanga. Right? Use your own English. What is coming? List is coming. Because we are using while loop. I should not use it now. So I have to use it. So I have copied now. That's why. It is going to print what? You execute it. See ma, it will print what? List. You print students. Remove that. You see first 3 records are coming. You see guys, first 3 records. What is coming? See here, list. Ending is what? List. What is this now? Tuple. Tuple. What is that? Tuple. What is that list of tuples? Already in our childhood days only we got it. Why I said? To understand this subject. Easy. So, coming to the point back, I'll go to the next. I got it. Fetch many. Carefully listen. I will write it. 3 records. How do you print the 3 records? For records, I got it. 1 minute, records. Carefully follow. I will go for one important lecture here. Records. For record in where? Records. One record will come or not? Print of what? Record. Print of record. You run this. Records are coming or not? Yes. Now I will take this now. Out of the for loop, I will write it. Now you see. Run this now. 3 records. I'll say 4 records. 4. I am getting 4 records. I'll say here what? 4 records. I'll say 5 records. How many are coming? 5 records. Except Tushar record, everything is coming. 5 records. Now I am saying 6 records are coming. 6 records are coming. Okay. Now I am writing 60. Answer. Quickly. Don't waste time, is not sufficient. Come on, 60. Come on. Options: index error, type error, value error, syntax error. Come on. Value error. Okay. So, when it is going to start from where? 1 to 6. After 6, no more records. It will give you all the records. It will give you. That means you have how many records? 6. More than 6 you pass, all records will come. See that? All records will come. Understand? Okay. Let me play some time with you. I will write what? 0. I want to play some time with you. 60. More than, you have 6. More than 6 is called what? All records. Now I am passing 0. Answer. Option A, no records. Option B, syntax error. Option C, all records. Option D, type error. Quickly. Space. Space means no records. Correct. Right. You will get all the records. Yes. All the records will come. All the records. Number of records are 6. More than 6, what will come? All the records. 0 will pass. All the records. 3 pass. 3 records. Because 3 is less than what number of records? Understand? Okay. Let me play one more game with you. -1. Very good. No records will come. That's what I said I will play. So placing the value within the range, only that will come. More than that, all will come. 0 means all will come. Minus means what? No records will come. Nobody will tell this many cases. See, come to the point. No records. Are you following me? Right. So coming to the point of it, this is called what? Fetch many related activities. I am writing what here? 3. 3 records are coming. Those 3 records, if you want to print more perfectly, for value in where? Record. Value in record. Print of what? \t. Dot format of what? Value, comma, end is equal to something. And say here, bring it, print off. Print off. You execute it. You execute it. What is happening? So print of value is called what, somewhere else. What is this now? Print of. Right. Some small mistake in that. Got it. Getting, students? Yes. Now here I will say 4 records. 4 records will come. 4 records will come. Getting? Yes. Next I will go for what? A small description I want to show. Fetch all will show what? All the records. Fetch all will show all the records. My dear students, I want to show some description for you. You just follow me. I want to take up that area. DRL statement, I want to go for it. DRL part. You just follow me. DRL queries are used for reading the records from table. To read the records from table, we use what? Select. In other words, select comes under DRL query. Syntax. Select column 1, column 2, column n from table name. Select column 1, column 2, column n table name where condition list. Select a star from table name. Select star from table name with condition list. There are so many syntaxes will be there for select. Once the query executed, all the records present in the object of cursor. To get the records from cursor object, we have 3 functions in cursor object. They are fetch 1, fetch many, fetch all. Fetch 1 you see. How beautiful. This function is used for obtaining 1 record at a time where cursor object is pointing. And it returns either a tuple if record exists or none if record does not exist. You see fetch many number of records. See the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. Fetch many of number of records used to obtain specified number of records. Case 1. If specified number of records is equal to 0, then this function obtains all the records. See, ikkada chodali. Case 2. If specified number of records greater than 0 at a positive number and a specified number of records less than total number of records. And a total number of records are how many? 6. 6. My number of records are how many? 3. 3 greater than 0 and 3 less than 6. Then this function gives specified number of records, 3 only will come. Next, if the specified number of records more than total number of records, then the function gives what? All the records. 6 records are there. 60 I said. All the records. If the specified number of records less than 0, never gives any result. Everything point to point. This is a way to learn the subject. Fetch all. Fetch all. What is this now? What is this now? It is used to obtain for all the records from cursor object in the form of what? In the form of tuples of list. Fetch all program I will show you. Fetch all program I will show you. See, take the same program, students. Take the same program. I will take it. Coming to the point of it. Oracle. What is this now? Select example3.py. Right? I'll paste it. Oracle example3.py. What is this now? Fetch all function I am taking. Fetch all function I am taking. Select star from where? Employee. Fetch all. Fetch all. Same logic. Fetch all. Same logic. All the records will be coming. List of records. Same to same. You run this now. 3 dot. All the records are coming. Understanding? You want to insert something. You execute it once. You insert something. Employee number is called what? Some 75. I'll say some KV and say some 0.0 and say some NIT. I written that. One record inserted successfully. You run this program. Which one? Selecting program you run it. Select in which program? The select program you run it. Fetch many. Fetch all. This program you run it. What is happening? My record also will be coming. My record also will be coming. You can get it. Yes, ma. No, we cannot. Oracle will not insert the data based on. You are inserting last will be coming. It's not like that. Order by, if you want. Order by what? ENO. Order by ENO. What is order by? Ascending order it will come. Run this. See that order by. What is that? Order by. What order? Ascending order. You want to go for order by ENO. AS. This is called what? ASC. ASC means what? Ascending order. You see that ascending order. By default, ASC is these are Oracle part. DESC. You are already gold medalist in full forms. You run it. You see DESC. Name wise, number wise, salary wise, anything. These are all very, very easy. Doing project in any company, simple. Coding is important. Names you want, I want to go for name, e-name. Name, e-name. What is there? E-name. Okay, run it. E-name descending order. Okay, run it. E-names, Tommy, Tushara, Shailaja, Prashant, KV, Ashwini, Ambika. Ascending order you want, don't write anything. By default what? Ascending. Run it. Ascending, Ambika first. Salary wise you want order by what? Sal. Ascending order of the salary. Ascending order of the salary. Much interesting. This is subjective. White chalk piece, blackboard, nothing will happen. What happened? Anything happens? Nothing will happen. Only pollution will rise. That's why you practice like that. Students in online, I hope you are following me. So practice these examples, all the examples you practice, and I'll stop the class. And tomorrow class, when I come back, I'll go for metadata. I will explain. What is this now? Column names I did not explain. After first 10 minutes, I'll enter into MySQL because MySQL is going to be only 1.5 hours I will take. Why? Same to same. What I will change? Connection I will change. Connection I will change. Same steps will be there also. So don't miss tomorrow class. Okay, students, take care. All the best.